You need to understand that having a very strong network in your profile is very, very important and is very essential for your own career growth or for your own business growth. Welcome to the Tech Factor podcast. In this episode today, I will be discussing about networking. Let me give you this example. You went to primary school, you went to secondary school, you went to polytechnic, or you went to university, and you want to get a job or you want to start a business. You need to understand that having a very strong network in your profile is very, very important and is very essential for your own career growth or for your own business growth. We have two key networking type that I want you to understand today on how you can utilize this method. We have offline networking and we have online networking. Offline networking is the type of networking that you can meet individual, maybe in an event where it's a physical event is going on. You can attend to those events. You will meet different people from different background, from different profession. You can connect with them and tell them about who you are, tell them about what you study, tell them about your passion, about what you want to achieve in life. Or if you are doing a business, you can also tell them about your business. Try as much as possible to create connection with them, exchange contact, because every individual in this world have a potential on how that person can be able to help another person. So that's the reason why physical meeting up in terms of networking is very, very important. Now, another type of networking is what? Online networking. In online networking, there is so many different platform in the world that you can be able to register and connect with so many people in your own maybe professional part or in business, or to also learn from them. Take for example, like Microsoft LinkedIn is one of the fastest growing networking platform in the world. There is Meetups too, which is another platform that is very, very important that you can register and meet different kind of people from different field. Another thing that you need to understand when you're building your own career path based on networking, or when you want to build your own business based on networking, you need to know some networking platform online that are very essential and that they are very legit. Another thing that I want you to understand when you are trying to build your own network is it's not just about you meet people, whether it's physical meeting for an event, or you meet people online in a networking platform. One of the key things that you need to make sure that you have is, first thing is that you need to be very, very genuine. What you put in your own profile, if you are a banker, if you are a IT professional, if maybe you are a musician, or if maybe you are a tailor or something, you need to make sure that your profile speaks about you. You have to be very, very legit. Second thing is, don't lie to people when you meet them for the first time, because when you meet people for the first time, you have to be honest, and that honesty you have to continue. You have to continue doing honest on the way you interact with people, because if you are not genuine, you cannot build your own network, because there is a very, very good opportunity in networking, and people really trust people that are very, very genuine. And you need to update your own profile to speak very well about what you do, whether it's a profession that you have your own very profession, you have to update your profile. Whether it's a business that you're doing, you also have to update your profile, because it's very, very, very important. And don't just go to networking place physically without you carrying your own business card, because business card sometimes is very, very, very is in fact is very, very important. Even though, yes, you can exchange contact, give me my phone number, give me your phone number, give me your own, WhatsApp number, or let's connect on social media. Drop your business card, because some people value business card, and that your business card can go a long way. So it's very important for you to have your own business card. When you want to build your own network, you need to understand that you need to seek mentorship. Let's say, for example, you are a computer scientist and you want to build your own career as maybe to become a computer programmer or to become a computer engineer. What you need to do is that, whether whenever you go to network event and you meet people, you need to filter and check people that have already built their own career on this particular field that you want to also follow, especially the path that you want to follow. So seek mentorship from the right people that will guide you to, because it's not just about seeking mentorship from everyone. You have to seek mentorship from key people that really achieve something. If, for example, you want to build your own, your own career on, maybe you want to become a banker, definitely you need to look for a banker that work in that field, that really have a very good experience, years of experience, so that that person can guide you through in a very, very short period of time. Because an experienced person is a right person for you to follow and to listen to, because what an experienced person know for the past 10 years, it can be able to pass it to you for the maybe for 6 months, in 6 months time, or in 1 year time, so far as you are patient and you are focused, to also you are also willing to learn. So seeking mentorship is very, very, very important. But I want to tell you this: before you seek for mentor, go and do a very deep background check as regard to who is that mentor, what this mentor achieved in his own career, what are the things that he's doing now. Did I want to become like this kind of person in the future, or I even want to do something beyond what the person is doing? Because one of the biggest thing I learned in terms of mentorship is for you to be bigger than your mentor when you also learn. So every single mentor that is very good will always want to see his own fellow mentees grow more than the way he is currently. Another thing that you need to consider, let's say by now you have a very strong network for your own career or on your own business. One of the things that you need to do is to also, for you to create a program and give back to the society. You can do that by what? Introducing the people that you know for the upcoming people that want to grow their own career in your field, or from the upcoming, like-minded business people that start a business that with the like of business that you do too, because you have already built your network, and that network that you build, you have already established a lot of trust with the people that you know. So introducing those people that you know to another people is like giving back. And you can introduce one person that can change someone's life entirely. So giving back is very, very important for networking. If you know people, it's very, very important. In fact, it's not even only about networking. Giving back is one of the things that will make you keep growing in every activity that you are doing in this world. So it's very important for you to know that.